Honor has officially unveiled the Magic 7 series in China, introducing two new models, the Honor Magic 7 and the Honor Magic 7 Pro. The Honor Magic 7 is available in 5 vibrant colors. The Honor Magic 7 Pro offers 4 elegant color options. The Honor Magic 7 features a 6.78-inch ultra-narrow flat OLED display, while the Magic 7 Pro comes with a 6.8-inch quad-curved OLED display. Both models support a 120Hz LTPO refresh rate and a peak HDR brightness of 5000 nits. Both models are powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It is paired with the Adreno 830 GPU, which provides a 40% boost in gaming performance. The Magic 7 series runs on Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15. Both models include a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto sensor, but Magic 7 Pro have a 200MP periscope telephoto lens. The Magic 7 has a 5650 mAh battery, while the Magic 7 Pro boasts a 5850 mAh capacity. Both models support 100W wired fast charging and 80W wireless charging. Both models have IP68 and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistance. Honor Magic 7 price 4,499 yuan for 12GB RAM plus 256GB. Honor Magic 7 Pro price 5,699 yuan for 12GB RAM plus 256GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.